What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Yes, building my room part 2 today. I've made a lot of changes since the last video and I kind of wanted to update you guys on that and kind of just give you guys a little bit of a tour of what's going on in my room, because now it feels a little more cozy, it feels a little more warm and comfortable. First thing, got my bed finally. Was sleeping on the air mattress for a while, but now I got my bed, got nice blankets and pillows and stuff, so that's always first, you know, just having a nice comfortable bed. And then I have some cool decorations, of course, my pin board. I think that was in my last video, but I've put a lot of things on it and it looks really cool. I just have a lot of things I've collected from different places, maybe some things that I drew, some things that people sent me in packages that I pinned on there, and it's kind of just like a collection of cool things. So the pin board, one of my favorite things for sure. And then these lights, my fairy lights, I got these on Amazon. They're like 10 bucks or something, and I just hung them on my window. They look cool, they glow, and it's kind of like it gives a nice warm cool feeling. I don't know, it's just one of my favorite things too. And then let's go over here. We have my awesome shelf, of course, the shelf of so many things. So I used to have this kind of like ladder shelf, stair shelf kind of thing over on the other side of my room where the desk is, but I switched it over here and I decided to make this shelf kind of just like this big kind of staircase thingy of like awesome things and books and just so many things. I kind of think that there's a lot of clutter going on here. Like my old room used to be really big, but now that I have this room and all this stuff in just this small little corner, it kind of feels like a lot of stuff. So I don't know if I want to put more stuff just because it feels like so much, but I don't know, we'll see. We'll have fun with it. And yeah, but of course I got lots of stuff. I got a snowboard now as well. This is just a collection of all the really cool things that I've collected over the years, some old video games that I love, just knickknacks and all sorts of things. And then I also have like books and manga and just more art and stuff that I just buy. I don't know why I buy so much stuff, but that's kind of just what this area is, just a collection of really cool things. And I don't know, I like it. I like to walk in here and see all the cool things that I have. And yeah, so that's kind of what's going on. Let me see what's next for this. All right, so this is what I have going on for the closet. First off, on the top, we have all the sneakers. I actually had to take some sneakers out and I put all the sneakers in the boxes. So it's kind of nice just having them all in here. I even have some along the side here. And then I have all my clothes, all my long sleeves. I put all my long sleeves on hangers just because it's easier to pull out. It's kind of a mess, so don't mind that. And then I store all of like my t-shirts here in this drawer. I folded them all as you saw earlier in the video. And then I also have a bunch of pants, but I have so much pants that it doesn't come out, but they're all just folded up in there. And yeah, so that's kind of like this side of my closet. Kind of looks all right. It would be nice to just have like some lights in here, kind of like stuck up here so that I could see. But as far as closet goes and me picking stuff to wear, I feel like it's all right. So that's that side. Let's go on the other side. Just pull these doors over here. All right, the other side. Yes, more sneakers, of course, more clothes. And this is kind of like where I store my laundry and stuff. So got some towels and then I have laundry in here. And then over here I have a shelf, kind of like these shelves. I have a shelf right here so that I could store things like, you know, socks and boxers and just like whatever else I need. So just having more storage and stuff. And then yeah, so it's kind of organized but still a clutter, probably pretty organized for most people. So that's what I got going on for the closet, and that's kind of what I got going on for my room at the moment. The only part that I really need to build out some more is my desk area, and right now it's kind of plain. This right here is my current desk. I know there's nothing crazy going on. I haven't really had the money to build things out. Like I want to buy a monitor and I want to buy like an audio box and some speakers and then maybe like a pegboard and stuff right here. But this is just like simple what it is right now, just my computer and just like nothing pretty much. But yeah, that's kind of what I got going on for my desk area for now. But we will build that in part 3, and I'm also thinking that we will do a manga wall in part 3. But we'll save that for next time. Today, what are we doing today? Here, I got a list here. Today, I think we're gonna put some things up. I have some pictures and stuff on the floor here, and I guess we're gonna put them up and maybe hang my mirror. I think that might be kind of fun, so let's try that. So the plan is to hang some small stuff. I have here this Spider-Man picture thing that I love. I got it at Target a long time ago. And then I also have this photo that my friend Carlos took, and it's super pretty, and I just want to hang it because it's nice and framed and it would just look pretty on my wall. And then also I have the snowboard. I don't know where to put it, so I think that I'm gonna put it on my wall and just see how that turns out. So we'll start with those 3 things, and then maybe my mirror, but I don't know if some nails will hold my mirror. Oh, maybe some boards. Maybe I'll put some boards at the top. Maybe that will look cool too. So that's what we're gonna do. Tell me why I thought snowboards had holes that went all the way through. Alright, cool. That looks pretty good, I guess. Kind of just like a lot of stuff going on. I still have some empty space here at the top. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that yet. I guess I could do a lot of things, but for now, I'll just leave it blank. And I think it looks pretty good. The snowboard I thought would have holes all the way through like a skateboard would for some reason. And then when I tried to put it up, I realized I was like, wait, the snowboard doesn't have holes all the way through. So I just leaned it up against the wall. Hopefully it doesn't fall on me, but I think it'll be fine. And I think it still looks really cool. And yeah, next time in part 3, I think we're gonna do a manga wall. We're gonna hang up the mirror, and then I'm also thinking about building out more of my desk area, kind of getting my computer setup going. So yeah, that's part 2. I hope you guys had a fun time. I know I didn't do too much. I didn't go out and buy stuff to build, but we are fixing up the room. I think the room is coming well together, and I think that this is going to be a really fun, comfortable space to shoot videos in. So hope you guys are enjoying this series. Let me know what your guys' favorite thing in my room is, and if you guys made it all the way up until this point of the video, comment "Thank you, Spider-Man," because my lovely Spider-Man poster thing over there is just so cool. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Till next time, peace out.
Alright.